Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Movement is crucial for managing arthritis. Today, let's talk about therapeutic exercises. When done correctly, exercise can be a powerful tool against arthritis, helping to reduce stiffness and maintain joint flexibility. We create personalized exercise programs that consider your specific condition and fitness level. These plans focus on low-impact activities that strengthen muscles and reduce stress on the joints to provide better support, and they often include range of motion exercises and stretching, which is going to include gentle stretches to keep the joints flexible. Strengthening exercises using light weights or resistance bands to build muscle around joints, and low-impact aerobics such as walking or swimming. Now, sometimes it's difficult to get the benefits of vigorous exercise, like flooding the body with nitric oxide and human growth hormone, the most important anti-aging hormone there is, if you're struggling with arthritic joints. Blood flow restriction bands are the best strategy for addressing this concern. They are a game changer for those who would love to get back to the body of their youth, but have arthritic joints to contend with. With the B3 Sciences blood flow restriction bands, also known as BFR bands, you simply put the bands on, do some light exercise for a few minutes with the upper body, and repeat the next day with the lower body. It takes a fraction of the time and effort that would usually be spent to get to the burn where the payoff of vigorous exercise comes, which means it's much easier on the joints, an important factor for those challenged with arthritis. You can even just start with going for a walk with the BFR bands. It's that simple, and most folks notice changes within 1 to 2 weeks. Movement is essential for joint health. It helps maintain flexibility and strength and reduces arthritic symptoms. However, it's important to have a plan tailored to your specific condition. Blood flow restriction bands are a breakthrough in arthritis pain management. Arthritis pain is due to inflammation and joint damage. The use of the BFR bands reduces pain and accelerates healing by increasing blood flow and stimulating cellular repair. The therapy is painless and often soothing, providing quick relief and promoting long-term healing. Whoever thought that exercise could provide relief and healing at the same time? BFR bands can be a key component of your arthritis plan of care.